Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to never miss any updates. Hey everyone, this is Anuj Vora here, and in today's video we are going to talk about why stock markets grow over the long period of time but not suddenly, like in 2 to 3 months. Stock market cannot skyrocket. However, there are some incidences where we can see massive growth in the stock market, but there are surety that in the long run stock market always grow. So why is it? Why stock market grows over the long period of time? You must have heard a lot of people, even me, saying that if you stay invested for the longer period of time, you can create wealth, and it's that simple. So in today's video, we are going to discuss why stock market grows over the long period of time, but let's start with understanding the basic example. Let's say you start a business with 5 employees. Now you manage to grow your business sustainably for 2 to 3 years with these 5 people. Now you can employ more people because you can expand your business because you have planned properly, and because of that you will need fund. And if you want to expand your business, you would need to spend your money in marketing, research and development, manufacturing, factories, and all such things. You will need to hire more people. So because of that, you will need to raise funds. So in order to raise funds, you have 4 to 5 options. For example, you can simply ask your friends and family members for money. You have banks, you can take a loan from that, and you have private investors. So using all these options, you choose any one or two options and you raise money. So your next step would be to expand your business, to hire more people. You will focus more on hiring, you will focus more on marketing, you will focus more on expanding new products and services in your company's portfolio. So you will also focus on manufacturing, you will also focus on international business expansion, and there are a lot of things that you will do with the money that you raised, so that you in the next 2 to 3 years you can grow your business. So that is the actual purpose of raising money. And with the raised money, you will also hire a lot of people, as I just said. As you have just raised funds, now after 4 to 5 years, if you see your profits and revenues, it should also increase. Now as at your revenue and profit have also increased, you will also prefer to make more and more money, because we live in the capitalist world. We want satisfied that okay, we are making, let's say, $20 million of profit and we are done. We are not we don't want to grow. It's not like that, right? You would prefer to grow more. You would prefer to turn this $20 million of profit to $200 million to $2 billion of profit as well. And this is how businesses grow. So because of that, you would invest more money, you would hire more people, you would focus more on research and development, you would spend more money on marketing, and the cycle goes on. So why I am telling you this is, businesses don't grow overnight. You will have to stay invested in your business for the long run. Similarly, when you invest in stock market, you are investing in businesses. And as I just said, businesses don't grow over time. You would have to spend more time, you would have to stay invested for the longer period of time, you would have to give more time to the businesses to grow. It's not like overnight success. There are some companies which can offer massive amount of returns in the long run, but it is very rare incidents. So when you invest in stock market, you are giving money to the companies. That means the companies will use your money for marketing, research and development, manufacturing, international business, exports, and many other things, hiring more people and many other things. So to do this, you would require a lot of time. So if you stay invested for 5 years, 10 years, and 15 years of investment period, you can definitely check that the companies would manage to increase the revenue and profit. Here what you need to understand is, when companies increase their revenues and profit, their share price also increase. So if we talk about benchmarks like Dow Jones and Sensex in India, the what we can observe is that when the profits and revenues increase of top 30 companies of India, the Sensex, which is index of India, will increase. That's for sure. And over the period of time, businesses tend to increase their profit. They would prefer to hire more people. They would prefer to expand their business. They would prefer to make more and more money. And that is why, as they manage to make more money, as they manage to make more profits, it will follow that share price. Their share price will also increase. And as the top 30 companies or top 50 companies will make more money, they make more profit, the share price will follow the profit. The share price always follow the profit. Here, this is the key thing that you need to understand. So for 1 and 2 years of investment period, you must have seen a lot of people lose money. You must have seen a lot of people lose money when they trade in the stock market. Why? Not because they are bad at stock selection. Now they can be, but if you invest in fundamentally good companies, as I just said, in top 30 companies, top 50 companies of any respective countries, you may not lose money in the long run. These 30 companies would make profit, would manage to increase their revenue, and that is the reason their share price will also increase. The key thing that you need to understand, that share price follows the profit. If the company is not making profit and the share price is continuously increasing, that is an alarming situation for you. You should stay away from investing in that stock. On the other hand, if you see that the companies has been continuously making more and more money in each year, the revenues and profits are also growing, the debt is also low, so this is a good company to invest. So this is a basic thing that you need to understand, why stock market always grow over the long period of time. As companies make more money, businesses will make more money, they would hire more people, they would spend more money, they would make even more money by launching their new products and services. So their profits will also increase, and as their profits will increase, their share price will also increase. Now here is a quick project that you need to do. It's not a project, but it's a kind of research. You need to find, let's say it's Microsoft, Facebook, Amazon. If we talk about India, let's talk about Reliance Industries, TCS and HDFC Bank. Look at the revenues and profit of these 6 companies. You will realize that why the share price of these companies keep increasing in each and every year. Not every year, but over the long period of time. Let's say you stay invested for 10-15 years, you will make a lot of money by investing in these companies. So these was the primary reason that you need to consider why stock market always grow over the period of time. So if you need help with investing, I would be happy to help you. Feel free to check out the link in the description box below. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.